Hey everyone, welcome to Saturday's vlog. So I just wanted to quickly jump on here, update everyone to basically what I will be showing for this week. I really need to invest in a tripod where I can hold it because I'm right now filming on Dominik's phone because my phone ran out of space and that's not cool. So I gotta delete a whole bunch of stuff, but anyways. Sitting on the picnic bench. We still have the picnic bench under the patio because I found my perfect set that I wanted. It was at Home Depot and it was on sale when I found it and I wanted to go get it, but Frank insisted we wait a little bit longer and it has since sold out and it was out of stock online. You can't buy it in stores and it actually just went back online and it's 2 times the amount of what it was when I found it. So we still have the picnic bench and I haven't been able to set that up yet. I did go to buy flowers this week and filled my planter baskets and also bought some other flowers, which we're gonna laugh about it when I show you the clips from what that looks like. I did go to the place that we love to get the flowers from and vegetables, and it's called Rosedale Growers. So if you're local to where I am, then I'm going to link their address and information down below because they have like the best prices and the best, prettiest flowers ever. And I did get some footage there, so I'll share that. I wanted to update on the meal service thing that we signed up for, meal subscription. We are loving it. I actually did skip this week because there was just on the menu nothing that was really kind of like exciting, so we just skipped it, and it's nice because they didn't bill me and you don't have to pick it. Alright, so this was the one that we tried, the chicken, sausage, orzoto, and it was meant to be for 4 servings of 4. So we wound up having enough that we were stuffed, and that is how much is left. So if you're concerned about portion sizes, that is a lot of food that's left over. So just wanted to mention that. Alright, we are on week 2. So this week we're going to try these Mushu beef bowls, balsamic glazed pork chops, French onion chicken, and the Greek chicken pitas. So far we really like it. I noticed one thing is like some of the recipes, if they have something like these tomatoes, that they're the ones that I'm trying to use up faster, or like the scallions for this recipe here, because they seem to go off a little bit faster, but they're still fresh and I have plenty of time to actually cook them. So this system of getting it, separating it into the bins has worked for us all week. So we are going to keep it for as long as we can. Yeah, let's walk over to my garden because I do want to show you how well my garden is doing and hopefully get some tips or maybe some like advice, because this is my first time and I don't know if I made a mistake or if something else could be done or if it's normal. So if you are an avid vegetable grower, you have to tell me down below what's the deal. Let me show you. Okay, look how good it is. It's doing so good. So I did the first 2 rows. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, but like this row and that row, it was supposed to be green squash. And if you look, they're actually on there, but they're all yellow. So are they supposed to be yellow first and then they turn to green, or should I pick them at this point, or I don't know. So you have to let me know, because I feel like I messed something up. So this side, if you can tell, I don't know, let me try to zoom you guys out. This side, if you can tell, it's like growing like crazy, and then this side is not. So I don't know, I don't quite understand that. We do have this like dead apple tree that's right behind where we put the garden, but it's dead, so there's really not blocking a lot of sun. So we have to take this thing down too, because it's really bad. It's not coming back to life ever again. So yeah, there's my garden. Now let me show you the really big joke from the week. So I filled my planters and they pretty much died already. So it's just been really hot. I water them every day. I don't know what happened. I'm just not doing really good right now. And you can see how pretty they were when I had them in the little wagon thing I was pulling when I was at the growers, but I don't know, these didn't do very good. The other ones you'll notice were those really, really pretty big ones that were in that wagon. Now let me show you what they look like. Let's just go over here. So there's my favorite thing right now in the whole world, my hammock. I love that thing. Okay, ready? Watch this. Seriously? I killed them. I didn't do it. I don't know what happened. So they are supposed to be spring celebrities apricot hollyhock, and they were gorgeous. And what happened? They pretty much just died when I put them in. These are what are they called? You guys know what they're called. I just made a mess. This thing's got to be cleaned up. I'm gonna get bit by this crazy black thing that's chasing me around right now. But yeah, so I don't know what happened there. Hostas, those are hostas. Whoa, I'm gonna get bit. Okay, we're going in the house now. So I went in because those black flying things were scaring the crap out of me, and they were like dive bombing me. I don't know if you could see that. But then I just came back out to finish this up. So basically the plan for this week is to, or actually it will be in the next 2 weeks, because the next one will go up not this Saturday but the following Saturday, is to basically just get whatever I can done accomplished. I've been doing a lot of like the smaller things that kind of take up a lot of the time. So for instance, yesterday I had to go to the Honda dealership and get a diagnostic test for my car, which happened to be a seatbelt that needs to be replaced, and I have to go back, I guess, next week and have that done. But like little stuff like that takes up time. So I've been working on that, and I just want to probably get some more stuff done in the house this week, because we're supposed to be in a crazy heat wave over the next couple days. So I don't imagine we'll be outside a lot. Oh my god, these bug things are driving me crazy. They're just, for some reason, they won't leave me alone. So anyways, what is the plan for you guys this week? What are you guys up to? Any goals? I'm like waiting to get stung. Yeah. Any goals? Any plans? Are you guys going on any vacations anytime soon? I could really use one myself, but that's not going to be anything in the foreseeable future. Yeah, that's going to be it. So leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys really soon in the next one. Bye.